guys, welcome back to this channel, and let me show you one thing that is very important and informative. So please make sure that you have to watch it till the end of this video. Okay, so the first thing that I'm going to tell you about this JAM examination, that I want to tell you that recently I have uploaded a video on JAM examination 2022 preparation strategy. What your strategy should be to crack this examination. If you haven't seen it, please go to the channel and click to the playlist of that video and see it. All this information, ideas, how to crack it, how to score maximum marks, I will tell you in that particular video. And I also tell you about that you are in link in the description box I have given you. So in that video you will find previous year question papers, you can solve it, and all the information of 2022 regarding that I put a link, so you can go and check out this channel video. Now come back to this video. What I'm going to tell you in this video, I'm going to upload a link in the description box where I'm going to tell you about recently that have been uploaded in 2022, which college is prestigious college. If you want to get this college, how much your strategy should be, what the paper portion that you need to score more marks, I will get you all the informations in that particular link. So please check out this link. Okay, and if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe to this channel and also press the bell icon so you will get all the notifications. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who are preparing for this JAM examination 2022. Now come back to this, like I have uploaded recently I have uploaded more videos on JAM examinations and how to crack JAM examination, TI4 examinations, and I have recently uploaded many videos on mathematics, topologies, and real analysis, functional analysis. Not functional analysis, more portion coming in this examination, but it is regarding to real analysis and topology, differential equations. These are major portions that is scoring that will help you to score more marks in your examination. So you can prepare these papers, and the first thing is that it demands your practice, how much you are doing practice for. In what the students, what they do, that they whatever the other people they tell me that this book is good and just go through this book, and this teacher is good, they just followed it. Do not think about it that what we need to do, how to select myself, how to restrict myself to choose one particular book and to choose. I'm not saying that the only one book, but you can take one or two book help. Also you can take one or two teachers help, but do not try to see the multiple resources. If you are trying to solve multiple resources and you are trying to solve your papers, so you will not be able to understand your strategy should be how to score maximum marks, right? So you will distracted from the teachers concepts and theories they have explaining you, right? You couldn't expect that how much I can prepare for multiple resources, right? This could not be good for you. So just try to restrict yourself, try to restrict as much as you can, try to solve limited number of teachers with the help of the teachers, and try to serve yourself. Okay, try to multiple revision. You should need to try to revision is a very important key that you don't need to forget it, because whatever you learn, math demands always practice. So how much you can do practice, it will help you to improve your accuracy. At the same time, your time limits, it will help you to bound your time limits, and within the time you will be able to solve maximum questions with the right answers. So that's why your strategy should be like this, and try to revision multiple times. Whatever you have prepared yet, just try to revision that. More maximum revision is very helpful for you to crack this examination. Okay, so if you want, I'll give you any help or suggestions regarding this examination. You can please suggest, you can please tell me your queries, and I will try to help you out. Now I have recently trying to upload a lot of videos with your help, so theorems and problems to how to solve it. And if regarding all the maths related issues, BSc or MSc, you can also ask me, because I have done my BSc and MSc too, so I know what is the the problems that has come during this problem. Because what, the universities are never really they couldn't complete the whole syllabus, right? But majorly, I mean, I can say that मिनिमम यूनिवर्सिटीज़ हैं जो ये सॉल्व कर लेती हैं सारे मैक्सिमम जो है क्वेश्चंस जो है वो जो भी एग्जामिनेशंस में आते हैं या जो भी हमारे जो मैक्सिमम सिलेबस से अटैच्ड होते हैं, दे विल कंप्लीट ऑल द सेक्शन. सो what I should want that I just wanted to help you out, guys. Please tell me in the comment box if you have any query regarding this or how I prepare any particular subject in BSc math and MSc also. So I will try to help you. Okay, so if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to this channel and do not forget to share your friends, and please stay with us, and so that I can help you more. And whatever I have uploaded, please go and check out in channels and see, watch it. If you like it, please share with your friends. थैंक यू सो मच. वी विल बी मीट सून इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो हमारा गेट पे होने वाला है, गेट एग्जाम्स पे. सो गेट एग्जाम पे जो भी सिलेबस है उसका, जो भी प्रीवियस से क्वेश्चन पेपर्स है, ट्राई करूँगी कि उनको भी आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में लिंक दे दूँ और आप उसकी प्रिपेयर कर सकें उसको अच्छे से, ठीक है ना. क्योंकि गेट एग्जामिनेशन के भी स्टूडेंट्स जो होते हैं वो बहुत ज़्यादा प्रिपेयर करते हैं इसी जैम एग्जामिनेशन के साथ ही. तो उसके लिए भी मैं आपको जो है एक वीडियो बना के बता दूँगी उसमें, ठीक है. तो मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. टिल देन बाय, टेक केयर.